start. I look rough today, but it's fine. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel if you're new here. My name is Hannah. If you're not new, welcome back. I literally forgot what I was gonna say after that. I spent the morning, I didn't record any of it just because, I don't know, I just didn't feel like recording any of it. I just kind of wanted a morning to myself without the camera, and that is totally okay sometimes. But I got a grande pumpkin cream cold brew. So good. Honestly, it's not an everyday drink for me because it is pretty sweet, but it was still good nonetheless. After I went and got Starbucks, I also got a breakfast sandwich, but I ate it. Are we surprised? After I went and got Starbucks, I went to Ulta and got the Too Faced Lip Injection lip gloss, which I guess is like a lip plumper. Can you tell? I don't know if you can tell on my lips because I honestly have naturally like pretty big lips, so I didn't expect it to do much, and I think it did plump them up a little bit, but I don't know. I don't know if I like it or not. Then I got the Clinique Line Smoothing Concealer in the shade Light. I've been looking for a new concealer because I don't like the stick that I have from Bare Minerals, and Clinique apparently is like a very good makeup brand if you have sensitive skin. And then I got a concealer brush because I was previously using a sponge, but I want to try to use a brush. And then I got a new eyebrow pencil. Nothing too exciting there. They're both e.l.f. just because I feel like I can get away with getting cheap brushes because I'm not like a makeup expert, so I don't feel the need to buy like $50 makeup brushes. Then after that, I ran to Barnes & Noble's because I just want to get back into reading. I love reading. I go through phases with it though, so I got Eat, Pray, Love. This one is by Elizabeth Gilbert. I know it's a really famous book and I'm very late to the trend. It says, in her early 30s, Elizabeth Gilbert had everything a modern American woman was supposed to want: husband, country home, successful career, but instead of feeling happy and fulfilled, she was consumed by panic and confusion. This wise and rapturous book is the story of how she left behind all of these outward marks of success and set out to explore 3 different aspects of her nature. Against the backdrop of 3 different cultures: pleasure in Italy, devotion in India, and the Indonesian island of Bali. A balance between worldly enjoyment and divine transcendence. What the hell does that mean? For more than a decade, Eat, Pray, Love has touched the world and changed countless lives, inspiring and empowering millions of readers to search for their own best lives. Basically, it's about this woman that I'm pretty sure like gets her heart broken and then decides to go on several months long trip all over Europe and all over the world to like find herself. And I love traveling. And then I also got the Guest List, You'd Kill to Be on It, a novel by Lucy Foley. This is new, and it's about a murder at a wedding that happens on a private island, and I think it's like a murder mystery party type book. The back of it says, the bride, the plus one, the best man, the wedding planner, the bridesmaid. All have a secret, all have a motive, but only one is a murderer. So it's kind of like a murder mystery book. I'm really, really excited to read this. It only comes in a hardcover. It doesn't come in paperback just because it is new, so it was a little bit expensive if you're planning on getting this. Just a forewarning. But I love mystery books. I just love like sci-fi mystery books. Those are like my main books that I tend to lean towards. I've read like all the Hunger Games books, all the Harry Potter books, anything in that realm. Like I was obsessed with the Magic Tree House when I was younger. So yeah, I got those 2 books, and now I'm gonna head inside. I think I'm gonna lay by the pool today. It was supposed to rain, but it's like 89 degrees. You couldn't tell because I'm wearing a sweatshirt, but it's 89 degrees and really sunny. So I think I'm going to spend the day by the pool. I might have a friend come over and hang out with me as well. But just wanted to give you guys a little update, and I wanted to intro this video. Sorry this was a long intro, but I didn't record this morning, so I felt like I should update you on what I did.
When I saw you, didn't care about the party. Wishing all of these people would just head out so we can talk. I could tell by the smile when you asked where to write your name.
Just wanted to give you guys a little update. I just made a banana strawberry smoothie like you guys saw. Honestly, hands down, one of the best smoothies I think I have ever made. It's so simple, but the proportions were just 100% accurate. I added a little bit more strawberries off camera because when I was blending it, it was becoming like way more liquidy than I would have preferred for it to be. So I added a few more strawberries, and it just made it the perfect consistency and the most perfect flavor. So good. This is my latest investment. I invested in an Insta Mini 9 Polaroid camera. I know I am so late to the party on this, but they are kind of expensive, and I know film is expensive, so I've been holding it off for a while, and I finally just shot the bullet this weekend and ordered one off of Amazon, and I just took a picture of Gunner, and so far I really like it. I'm thinking about looking up a little Polaroid camera album so that I can keep all my photos together. But I feel like it'd just be so cute to have and take pictures with friends, take pictures of memories with my sister, so on and so forth. I feel like it'll probably go out of date one day, but for right now, I love taking pictures. Like, it's like one of my favorite hobbies. And I have a DSLR camera upstairs that I use sometimes, so for me it's just worth it to invest. I'm super excited to use that. It's been beautiful outside. It was supposed to rain all day and has been nothing but sunshine. The pool is the perfect temperature. Sun is the perfect temperature. I'm getting a little bit of a tan since it was going away. All around, having a superb day so far, which we love. What is up, you guys? It is the next day. I dropped off the vlogging yesterday just because I ended up hanging out by the pool for like 5 hours with a friend, and nothing really eventful happened after that, but I am picking it back up today because I have some exciting things going on. Right now I'm headed to Dunkin'. I'm going to film the Dunkin' fall menu taste testing. These are some of like my favorite videos to film, and they always do so well on my channel, and honestly they are just a lot of fun to test out new drinks and whatnot. So I am headed there to do that now, and I will catch up with you guys after I finish the taste test. Okay, I just filmed it. English? Apparently not my first language today. It's gibberish. Gibberish is my first language. I just finished filming trying the Dunkin' fall menu. As you can see, my car is now a mess. If you guys want to see the final results of it, go ahead and watch that video. I'm not sure if it'll be out before this one or after this one, but I think that I'm trying to release it before this one, so it'll probably already be up. Go ahead and go watch it. Overall, I always have a great time filming these types of videos. They're just some of my favorite to film because I think that they're a lot of fun, and they're a lot of fun for me to edit, and it makes it a little bit, it just mixes it up, because I feel like I do vlogs all the time, and I know you guys love the vlogs and I love filming the vlogs, but every now and then it's fun to edit different types of videos. So if you guys want to see more videos like that in the future, you should definitely let me know. Please leave video suggestions down in the comments, because I want to create content that you guys want to see, and I want to try to mix up my content a little bit more. So if there's anything you guys are like dying to see, or you think that I would be good at recording or creating English again, leave them down in the comments below. I'm always up for video suggestions. I just feel so full now too. Morning skinny is now officially gone. Shout out to Dunkin' Donuts. But I think I'm gonna head home now, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's 87 degrees. I might lay by the pool and read a little bit. I also need to write my essays for grad school. Anyways, that's a later today issue. I'm going to go home, attempt to write those essays, maybe read a little bit, and probably edit this video, or the Dunkin' video, so I can get that up for you guys. So I will catch you guys later.
We are, and I believe the word you're looking for is
I just spent the last 2 hours sitting out by the pool. I was watching a little bit of HBO, then I was reading this book, which, by the way, it's fairly good so far. It kind of has a slow start to it, but I'm also only 40 pages in, so I'm kind of hoping it picks up after a while. I'm getting ready to put my clothes back on and go eat some lunch, because all I've had this morning was coffee and a donut. And then I'm going to get ready to leave around 3:30 or 4, because I'm actually going to head to Georgetown. I'm meeting up with a few friends to have like an outdoor drink, super safe. And I do need to get a few things from some of the stores in Georgetown for fall. So that is the current plan. Also, I'm sad because I bought these flowers like a few days ago and they're already dead, and they're leaving like yellow things all over my dresser, and I'm kind of hoping it doesn't stain, because that would suck. I have decided that I'm going to curl the bottoms of my hair for the first time in a while. I tend to not curl or put any heat on my hair because my hair is still a little bit greasy back here. It's definitely getting better, and I think that I've figured out what works for me, but I try not to use a lot of heat on my hair just because it makes it more greasy than it needs to be. but I feel like I can curl at least the bottom of my hair without it looking bad, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Just mix it up a little bit, you know?
Wish I met you at 16. Wish I could have taken you to prom. Better late than never. I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh,
This is the after product. I just go for like a loose, wavy beach look, and I love the way it always turns out. I miss curling my hair, but I just don't want to kill it or make it any greasier than it actually is, so I haven't been curling it as much as I used to in the past. In college, I would literally curl my hair like every single day because it lasts 3 or 4 days and it like just falls out and it looks kind of cool. So I definitely miss curling it, but I always just love the way that it looks. I owe you guys a big apology because I just did not end off this video. I didn't finish recording it. I brought my camera with me to Georgetown and I just didn't pick it up. I left it in my car. Honestly, I had a really weird experience in Georgetown. It wasn't super busy because I wouldn't have been there if it was really busy, but it started raining. I watched a fight break out in the middle of the street, and then I ended up going out to dinner with friends like I said I was going to, and so I obviously didn't want to like pick up the camera and record the dinner. Because all of that happened, I just completely dropped off this vlog. I know it is kind of short and all over the place, but I hope you guys loved it nonetheless. As always, thank you guys so much for your support and your love, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.